Hey guys, Taylor with GammaEdge here, coming at you with a pre-market video for January 17th, 2023. Let's start out with our market trend model. It tells the picture of yesterday pretty good. So we had a linear down day via the filtered tick, which is just a measure of instantaneous buying and selling in the market. So yesterday, mostly selling was presented to the market. Looking at the filtered tick, which measures significant buying and selling in the market, again, a linear down day. So price fell. This was supported by a lot of, for all intents and purposes, I guess you could say institutional selling it as well. New lows outpace new highs. The short-term moving average ribbon is trending lower, and both of the longer-term moving averages are starting to trend lower as well. So pretty bearish, I would say, day yesterday. However, looking at market structure, not as bearish as what we just looked at kind of depicted. So we'll go through this right now. Looking at the SPXP full complex, everything is turned on. Transition zone 4760, 4755. This did drop from yesterday where it was 4770, 4775. So quite a bit drop higher. However, we are still above the transition zone, which is constructive to the upside. Here, key targets are 4800, which is plus GEX and COI. To the downside is 4700, and above and below spot price, we are still call dominated. Although you can see, we are starting to get speckles of red net delta strikes in the complex as well. So we just need to monitor that over the coming days and weeks to see if that further deteriorates. Now let's go look at our SPX. We can drill down. First looking at 0 DTE transition zone 4760, 4765 to the upside. First stop 4775, which is plus GEX. Above that we have 4800, which is COI. Below 4760, which is bottom of transition zone, we have 4740, which is negative GEX. Above spot price, we are in the money put dominated. Below spot price, in the money call dominated. Although you can see we are constructive, at least up, I suppose, 4780 with net OI favoring the calls above spot price. So what this means is, as these strikes start to get in the money, that delta flips from 0 to 1, dealers get shorter, they have to hedge incremental buying pressure. So if we are able to get some upside momentum, particularly past 4775, these kind of market dynamics could help us push to 4800. But again, we would need to see some serious progress especially from the cumulative tick to get on board with that. Let's look at 1DT. 1DT looks fairly constructive here. Transition zone is 4760, 4755. I know the box is quite big, but that's just because of this 4795 strike. If we take it to landscape view, very clear where transition is there. Above and below spot price, we are call dominated, although keep in mind we are seeing a lot of speckles of red in there. But again, structure looks pretty constructive to the upside. It's indicating 4810 here. That would be quite a move today. But keep in mind, downside 4750. This is key level. I think we stopped there yesterday. Additionally, key psychological levels. You keep that in mind. Looking at the week in aggregate. So here we have the transition zone 4755, 4770. So on the week, a bit bigger of the transition zone. However, this still aligns with 4775, which is plus GEX on the 0DT time frame. So again, it's kind of consistent with, hey, if we're able to get above 4775, then potentially we could see a push to 4800, which is plus GEX for the week. To the downside, 4755. This is a key level. So if not able to hold this, 4750, and then what was negative GEX? Negative GEX 4740 is kind of the ultimate downside target we see there today if we do get, I guess, continued momentum to the downside. So net kind of in summary, our market trend model looks awful in the short term, starting to deteriorate a bit in the long term. Market structure itself does not look awful. So I would kind of say, caution is advised, sizing down. If you're wanting to trade to the upside, you're going against kind of the momentum in the market. So I guess kind of taking smaller trades, quicker trades, locking in those profits, doing what you guys do. So with that, best luck out there, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.